The luxury sedan segment in Europe has long been dominated by iconic German brands like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Audi. However, Japanese automaker Lexus is gearing up to challenge this dominance with the all-new 2026 Lexus ES, making its European debut after a global premiere at the Shanghai Auto Show. The newest generation of the Lexus ES aims to rewrite its legacy in Europe by offering bold design, advanced technology, and powerful electrified powertrains designed to rival the best in the business. The Lexus ES has been part of the brand's lineup since 1989, but it has historically struggled to capture the European market's attention. Although it's slowly expanded across Eastern Europe since 2010 and Western Europe from 2018 onwards, the ES was often seen as an alternative to the discontinued Lexus GS, without quite establishing a strong foothold. Now, with its 8th generation, Lexus is making a clear statement that the ES is back and ready to compete head-to-head with the BMW 5 Series, Mercedes E-Class, and Audi A6. From the outside, the new Lexus ES is a dramatic evolution. It features a fresh, sleek design that leans into modern luxury aesthetics. The front fascia boasts a body-colored spindle grille flanked by sharp, slim L-shaped headlights, giving the sedan a sophisticated and assertive look. Hybrid models receive a slimmed-down grille optimized for cooling, while fully electric variants adopt an even cleaner, minimalist front end. The side profile reveals a more aerodynamic shape with a smooth sloping roofline that transitions elegantly into a fastback-style rear. The rear is highlighted by a full-width LED light bar and strong shoulder lines, all contributing to a wider and more aggressive stance compared to the previous generation. Size-wise, the 2026 ES is significantly larger. It's about 6.5 inches longer overall and sports an extended wheelbase by over 3 inches, translating to more spacious and comfortable interiors. This increase in dimensions reflects Lexus' commitment to enhancing passenger comfort and cabin luxury. Stepping inside the cabin, Lexus has elevated the tech and luxury experience significantly. The centerpiece is a massive 14-inch infotainment screen, the largest ever installed in a Lexus model, offering customizable shortcuts and widgets to suit driver preferences. Complementing this is a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that delivers sharp, clear visuals. While Chinese models will offer a passenger display, this feature won't be available in Europe. The interior also features sophisticated touches like illuminated panels created with a unique bamboo layering printing technique and synthetic leather embossing. The hidden switches touch-sensitive controls that appear only when the car is on add a futuristic flair. For audiophiles, there's an optional 17-speaker Mark Levinson surround sound system, perfect for those who value premium sound. Comfort has also been a priority. The new seats offer improved ergonomics and support, with a higher seating position for easier entry and exit. Rear passengers benefit from a reclining bench, and the front passenger seat can fold to maximize rear legroom, ideal for those who prefer to be chauffeured. Safety technology is enhanced with an upgraded Lexus Safety System Plus suite of advanced driver assistance features. Under the hood, the 2026 ES rides on the upgraded TNGA-K platform, featuring a new multi-link rear suspension and increased body rigidity for a more refined and composed ride. European buyers can choose from 2 self-charging hybrid variants, the ES300h with 199 horsepower and front-wheel drive, and the ES350h boasting 244 horsepower with an all-wheel drive option. For the first time in the ES lineup, fully electric versions join the range. The ES350e, front-wheel drive only, offers 221 horsepower and packs a 77 kWh battery. The flagship ES500e is a powerful all-wheel drive model with 338 horsepower and a 75 kWh battery pack. While official range numbers haven't been released, Lexus anticipates the most efficient model to travel up to 530 kilometers on a single charge according to WLTP standards. The new Lexus ES is set to hit European showrooms in spring 2026, with pricing and full specifications to be announced closer to the launch date. Whether this latest generation will be enough to sway European luxury sedan buyers remains to be seen, but Lexus is clearly aiming high, combining bold design, luxury, and electrification to stand tall against established German rivals.